Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I want to show you my little package that I got from Diamond Painting with Sparklers. I was hugely grateful and incredibly lucky to win a prize in one of Nyx's lives. I will put her channel details up in the corner. Nyx has a Facebook group called Phoenix Fantasy, and you can share your WIPs there on a Wednesday, and then one of the WIPs will get chosen and will win a prize. I was that lucky winner, and I won a $25 gift voucher for Diamond Painting with Sparklers, which was amazing because I would never normally have been able to order from them because they're in the States and shipping is expensive, and so by getting the voucher it kind of offsets that a little bit. So let's see what I got. So, oh, look at the packaging, it's so pretty. Look at that as well, packed with love from us to you. So, let's have a look in here. So, oh my goodness. I went for sort of a little bit of everything because I knew I probably wouldn't be able to order from them again. So, oh goodness, right. So I ordered, oh my gosh, there's such a lot of things. Oh, okay. Right, so these are Crystal Glow Jelly in Snow White. So let's see if we can get these ones to glow. Let's grab my little UV torch and I'll see. Oh yeah, wow. Okay, I'm just going to leave those sat under the UV for a minute and then we will have a little look at them. I don't think it's going to take very long. Let me just turn off that light. Let's see if this can pick it up. Oh, can I reach that one? I can see it, but I don't know if you guys can. The camera tends to correct for these sorts of things. There you go. Did you see that? Did you see the green? There you go. And obviously these have been stuck in a bag for any glow is going to be, just get greater the longer they spend out under the lights. But yeah, wow, those are gorgeous. Okay, so we've got Crystal Glow Jelly, which I've never used before, so we'll see. We've got a Rainbow Diamond sticker, so that's this one. I loved it. So nice, really sparkly. Don't know where I'm going to use it. I probably won't stick it to anything. I'll be too worried about putting it in the wrong place, but it'll probably end up, you'll see it probably under here somewhere. Then we've got the Rainbow Diamond sticker kit. Where's the opening? Where's the opening? There it is. So this is just like a teeny tiny diamond painting. So yeah, so we've got our, there you go, there's our sticker, which it's got a clear cover on, so we'll peel that off and then we'll stick on. We've got purple, orange, yellow, green, red, black and 2 shades of blue. So that'll be a nice fun little project to do. In fact, I might do that You may have already seen me do that by the time this video goes up, so I may do it in a live. We then 18 diamond stickers. So yeah, I love a sticker, as you know. I love diamonds, as you know. So I thought I would grab a pack of diamond stickers. So all sorts of different ones, some of which you'll probably see on my background in the future. Others may find themselves... Oh, I've got that one already. That's a duplicate. Fab. Got 2 of those now. I do like the drippy diamonds. Yeah, I may send some off to my Patreons. Like that. That's really pretty. Right, so we've got lovely diamond stickers. We've got a hot spotter. So essentially a cover minder, but they call them hot spots. Lovely strong, super strong magnet on the back. And how pretty is that? Just stunning, 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 stunning. Love it. Sparklers in copper. So I'm not going to take these out because I don't want to lose them everywhere, but look at that copper colour. Gorgeous, like rose gold. Yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely. And sparklers for squares. So these are, although they are round diamonds, but they are small enough to fit in space of a square. So you can see that lovely rainbow sparkle coming off there, a real like strong AB vibe, looks like proper like Austrian crystal. So these are the things I ordered. Then I get these, which is very unexpected. Yeah, welcome to the Sparklers family, it says, which is lovely. I've got a little diamondy bracelet, which is fab. I'll take those ones off. That is so delicate and beautiful. Love that. I get a hollow DP with Sparklers sticker and a little sample of their frosted squares. So how lovely is that? So yes, so diamond painting with Sparklers. So it's dpwithsparklers@gmail.com, run by Tina, who most people know as Teemaw. They've got a Facebook group, YouTube page, Diamond Painting with Sparklers. Go and check them out, particularly if you are in the States. Shipping for you guys will be a lot more affordable. For me, just to give you the financials on this, my shipping was $18, and that was without insurance. So just, I mean, I'm really pleased with my little haul. And this is in no way a reflection on Teemaw or Diamond Painting with Sparklers. It's just the way of the world right now. But yeah, I had to limit my spend because shipping was, you know, best part of $20, and I only had $25 to spend. So I didn't get to order as much as I would have wanted. But I think everything that Diamond Painting with Sparklers sell is incredibly reasonable. To give you an example, the glow jelly crystals, this is $2.25. So yeah, absolutely no problem with that at all. $2.95 for the sparklers for squares. Everything incredibly reasonable. It's just the shipping that causes a bit of an issue if you're in the UK or probably elsewhere around the world. However, if you can afford to and you get the opportunity to, please do check them out, support them. Fab small business. So that is what I wanted to share today. Thank you to Nyx of Nyx's Notions, Phoenix Fantasy, and also thank you to Teemaw of Diamond Painting with Sparklers. So that's all from me for today. I will see you in a future video. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe, and if you can, support me on Patreon. I will see you soon. Until then, stay crafty. I just want to take this opportunity to give a huge shout out and thanks to my generous patrons. That is, in the outer circle, John Chidlow, Dylan Falconer, and the wonderful Maisie's Madhouse. Find her on YouTube. And in the inner circle, the lovely Katerina Seplova.